Ani everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's been a while since I've done an Anishinaabemowin video, and I really just think that it's time for me to do one for you guys. What you guys are going to be learning today is how to say I put this there, and also asking the question, did you put this there, and answering yes I put this there or no I did not put this there in Anishinaabemowin. But before we get into that, I just want to say Miigwetch to Mr. Toulouse and Pat for continuing to teach me the language. You know, I'm very thankful for that they teach in my community. They inspire me to keep learning the language, so Miigwetch. You're gonna see me looking down a lot just because I have notes that I took to help me teach you guys this. I had to write down, oh it blurred out, I had to write down all the 12 sentence examples that I have for you guys just so that I wasn't fumbling over my words, so I could say it eloquently for you guys. How these 12 sentences are going to be placed into 4 different parts. The first 3 sentences is going to teach you guys how to say I put this inside here, and then the second segment is going to teach you how to say I put this on top of here, and then the third segment is going to teach you how to say I put this under here, and then the fourth is going to teach you how to ask someone, did you put this here? And then how to answer with yes, I put this there, or no, I did not put this there. Moving on to the first sentence example, it's saying Ngi tunzi togin binje boskinagen. Did you put the salt inside the bowl? Ngi tunzi togin binje boskinagen. This sentence structure is how I learned it, but I have seen the Ngi tun placed at the end. So instead of saying Ngi tun zi togin binje boskinagen, you would say zi togin binje boskinagen Ngi tun. Either way is good. I'm just teaching you guys how I learned it. Right here you have Ngi tun, I put, and then right here I have number 1 and a number 2. Your number 1 is your first object. That's the object where you're putting somewhere. And then this middle box right here can be binje, which is inside, or it can be gije on top, or name under. All of these are interchangeable, but for this sentence we're using binje. And then our number 2 right here, there's Wilbur. Anyways, our number 2 right here, that's the second object. The second object is where you're putting your first object. So you're putting the salt inside the bowl. Sorry, Wilbert's disturbing us. So that was the first sentence example. Moving on to our second sentence example. Ngi tun mizinagan binje davan. I put the book inside the car. Ngi tun mizinagan binje davan. Number 3. Ngi tun nagan binje taswin. I put the plate inside the cupboard. Ngi tun nagan binje taswin. Moving on to our second segment, which is going to teach you guys how to say I put this on top of here. Number 4. Ngi tun bekwejagan gije dopwin. I put the bread on top of the table. Ngi tun bekwejagan gije dopwin. Number 5. Ngi tun nibi shabo kik gije gijap kizikin. I put the teapot on top of the stove. Ngi tun nibi shabo kik gije gijap kizikin. Number 6. Ngi tun wikwan gije nabagan. I put the hat on top of the bed. Ngi tun wikwan gije nabagan. Moving on to our third segment of how to say I put this under here. Number 7. Ngi tun pabwin name mitig. I put the chair under the tree. Ngi tun pabwin name mitig. Number 8. Ngi tun kokabinagan name dopwin. I put the basket under the table. Ngi tun kokabinagan name dopwin. Number 9. Ngi tun makuk name mitig. I put the box under the tree. Ngi tun makuk name mitig. Moving on to our fourth segment, this is going to teach you how to say did you put this there. So how the sentence structure for asking did you put this there would be ki tun na, ki tun, would be you, and then tune to put. Na is making it a question. Ki tune na, did you put? And then right here, this is the same as the sentence structure for Ngitun. So you have your first object here, then you have the middle box, which could be binje, gije, or name. Then you have your second object, which is where you put your first object. So our three sentences, the first one's going to say, did you put this inside here? Second one, did you put this on top of here? Last one, did you put this under here? I'm also going to teach you guys how to say, yes, I put this there, or no, I did not put this there. So our first example of doing that is number 10. Ki tun na natas binja taswin. Did you put the small cup inside the cupboard? Then you would reply with either yes, which is Ngitun natas binja taswin. Yes, I put the small cup inside the cupboard. Or you would say no, which would be ka gawin gitu si natas binja taswin. I just wanted to clarify that the sentence structure for saying no, I did not put this there is different than saying yes, I did put this there. The ka gawi and the to seen is what makes that sentence negative. Number 11. Ki tun na zasko kwan gije gajap kizigan. Did you put the frying pan on top of the stove? Gi tun zasko kwan gije gajap kizigan. Or you would say no. Ka gawin gi tu seen zasko kwan gije gajap kizigan. No, I did not put the frying pan on top of the stove. Number 12. Ki tun na makakunt nama nabagan. Did you put the small box under the bed? And you could say, Gi tun makakunt nama nabagan. Yes, I put the small box under the bed. Or you could reply with no. So that would be ka gawin gi tu sin makakunt nama nabagan. No, I did not put the small box under the bed. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please comment if you feel like it. I really like reading your guys' comments on my Anishinaabemowin videos. Really warms my heart to know that there are people out there who still want to learn the language and who care about the language. So, Miigwetch. If you do comment, you know, it's okay if you don't too. Also, if you're not subscribed to me yet, please hit that subscribe button and have a good weekend or week whenever you're watching this. And Bama Miigwetch. See you later. There's always something bothering me, bro. Hey, bud. Up. Up. Wilbur just had to come say hi. Yeah. Yeah, you had to come say hi. Oh, he's so cute. I love him so much. Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Quit licking off my makeup, bro. Okay? Okay. You go lay down. Ta-da! Just kidding.